Importance of maintenance of safety equipment used in workshop.
Hello, this is Charumati. Today let's learn about workshop maintenance by understanding the maintenance of equipment and cleaning them.
Tools required. Trainees toolkit. Equipment or machines required. Cleaning solvent. Washing powder. Cotton waste. Brush. Cleaning a workshop can be a time-consuming and challenging task, but it is essential to maintain a safe and organized workspace. Workshop cleaning is essential for several reasons like safety, efficiency, maintenance, and better appearance. Here are some steps to follow for workshop cleaning. Remove any clutter. Start by removing any clutter or debris that may be lying around. This can include empty containers, scrap materials, and tools that are not being used. Sweep or vacuum the floor. Use a broom or vacuum to clean the workshop floor thoroughly. Be sure to get into all the corners and hard-to-reach areas. Wipe down surfaces. Use a damp cloth to wipe down all surfaces, including workbenches, tool cabinets, and shelves. This will help remove any dust or dirt that may have accumulated. Organize tools. Sort through your tools and put them back in their designated places. This will help you find what you need quickly and keep your workspace organized. Dispose of hazardous waste. If you have any hazardous waste, such as chemicals or batteries, be sure to dispose of them properly. Check with your local waste management facility for guidance. Clean equipment. If you have any equipment that needs cleaning, such as saws or drills, be sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions. This will help ensure that you clean the equipment safely and effectively. Regular maintenance. To prevent future buildup of dirt and debris, consider implementing a regular cleaning and maintenance schedule. This will help you keep your workshop clean and safe. By following these steps, you can ensure that your workshop is clean and safe, which will make it a more enjoyable place to work. Let's start the experiment. Task 1. Maintenance of tools and equipment. Equipment performance and reliability. Regular maintenance helps ensure that equipment operates at optimal performance levels. Properly maintained equipment is less likely to break down or malfunction, resulting in increased reliability and productivity in the workshop. By addressing small issues before they escalate, maintenance helps prevent costly repairs and downtime. Clean tools and equipment and work more efficiently. At the end of each working day, clean the tools and equipment used and check them for any damage. If you note any damage, tag the tool as faulty. Electrical current can travel over oily or greasy surfaces. Keep electrical power tools free from dust and dirt and make sure they are free of oil and grease. All workshop equipment should have a maintenance schedule. Always complete the tasks described on the schedule at the required time. This will help to keep the equipment in safe working order. Store commonly used tools in an easy-to-reach location. If a tool or piece of equipment is too difficult to be returned, it could be left on a workbench or on the floor where it will become a safety hazard. Keep your work area clean. This will help you work more efficiently and safely. Have a waste bin close to your work area and place any waste in it as soon as possible. Dispose of liquid and solid waste, such as oils, coolant, and worn components, in the correct manner. Do not pour solvents or other chemicals into the sewage system. This is both environmentally damaging and illegal. Always use chemical gloves when using any cleaning material because excessive exposure to cleaning materials can damage skin. Some solvents are flammable. Never use cleaning materials near an open flame or cigarette. The fumes from cleaning chemicals can be toxic, so wear appropriate respirator and eye protection wherever you are using these products. Asset management. Equipment represents a significant investment for any workshop. Regular maintenance helps protect this investment by prolonging the lifespan of machinery. Well-maintained equipment retains its value and can be resold at higher prices when the time comes for upgrades or replacements. Task 2. Cleaning hand tools, jack, power tool, and machinery. Clean hand tools. Keep your hand tools in clean condition with 2 sets of cabinet. One cabinet should be lint-free to handle precision instruments or components. The other should be oily to prevent rust and corrosion. Clean floor jacks. Wipe off any oil or grease on the floor jack and check for fluid leaks. If you find any leaks, rectify the leaks and top up the hydraulic fluid. Occasionally, apply a few drops of lubricating oil to the wheels and a few drops to the posts of the safety stands. Clean electrical power tools. Keep power tools clean by brushing off any dust and wiping off excess oil or grease with a clean rag. Inspect any electrical cables for dirt, oil or grease, and for any chafing or exposed wires. With drills, inspect the chuck and lubricate it occasionally with machine oil. Clean air power tools. Apply a few drops of oil into the inlet of your air tools every day. Although these tools have no motor, they need to do regular lubrication of the internal parts to prevent wear. Clean hoists and heavy machinery. Locate and checklist or maintenance record for each hoist or other major piece of equipment before carrying out cleaning activities. Note: clean operating mechanisms and attachments of excess oil or grease.
Thus, we have learnt importance of cleaning and maintenance of tools and equipment, cleaning hand tools, jack, power tool and machinery. Hope you have a clear understanding on this. Do this exercise with the help of your instructor. Thank you.